Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to save hidden TikTok videos using the Telegram bot. So let's get started. Firstly, open the Telegram app on your mobile device and log into your account. So after you log into your account, all you have to do is tap on the search icon available in the top there and search for the TikTok downloader or TikTok saver bot. So after you find one, tap on it and start the conversation. So after you tap on the start, the bot, you all you have to do is copy the TikTok link of the video and paste it to the bot here, and it will download your video automatically without the watermark. So let's try it. You can go to the TikTok and get a link. Here I'm pasting a link and sending it to the bot. So here you can see it replied, and there is no watermark in the bot, and I can download it very easily. So this is how easily you can download the TikTok video from the Telegram bot. So if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.